In this video, I will show you how to pay with Wise app. Simply open the Wise app and log into your account, and after that here you can see the send button. So just simply click on send, and after that when you click on send, you will directly move to next step. So here you have to type the amount that you want to send. So simply after that, when you type the amount, so in the next you have to click on continue. So just click on continue next. So here you have to type the name or email if they are in your contact list. So simply, if it is not, then click on plus button, and here whom do you want to send, click on someone else. So here you have to enter the full name of account holder whom do you want to send, and here you have to enter the IBAN number. After that, just click on confirm. So in this way you can pay with Wise app.